Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing very well. Let's start this session. In this session, I am going to demonstrate over how switch case statements works in JavaScript. So let's proceed. We are using this script tag inside HTML body, and first we are declaring an variable whose name is day. This is a variable, and this is a one kind of string variable, as I have assigned the value that is Monday to it. We have assigned the value inside double quotes. That is why I can say that this variable is a string variable and the variable name is day. Now we are coming to switch case statements. The basic syntax is we need to use switch, and thereafter we need to use the attribute that we have used here, the name of variable, that is day. Now we have to declare some cases, and each case should followed by break that is going to exit from that particular switch case statement. So if day is Monday, we are going to write document.write today is Monday. The syntax should be like, first we need to use switch, thereafter the variable name, then case is Monday. If it is so, document.write is going to print today is Monday and then semicolon. We must include this break, else it is going to do all continuous parts, right? So the next case is Tuesday. So how to write case, thereafter the value of day that we are going to declare here. If it is Tuesday, it would print document.write today is Tuesday, and it is going to break. Simple syntax is like case, thereafter the name of the day and then colon. And each case should followed by break. If it is not so, then it will not break from that particular case, and next case should also be run. Correct? One more case we have included here. If case is Wednesday, document will write document.write is going to print today is Wednesday and break. Default. It means that if we are going to print something apart from Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, it is going to print something which is common, that today is not Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, something else. So we can use this default. This default is going to work when no cases inside switch case will work. It means that if we are going to assign the value of variable that is not going to match with any case, if it is not going to match with any case, in that case default statement will execute. Okay, and thereafter we have just closed this script code. Now just run it. Initially we have assigned the value that is Monday to this variable day. If I am going to run it, what should be printed? Today is Monday. Let's check it. Today is Monday should be output on our browser. So if you can see here, today is Monday is there, right? Now if I am going to see, if I am going to change here, let's say if I am put Tuesday, so this case should be matched. It means that today is Tuesday, it should be printed. So open with browser, you can say that today is Tuesday, it is printed. Now if I am going to put day as a Sunday, so what will happen? Sunday is not going to match with Monday. That is this case. This case is also not matched, and this case is also not matched. In that case, Sunday is going to be in default case, and this default will print today is not Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. So let's say, is it so? Yes, today is not Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Why? Because we have put the value of this day as a Sunday. It is not going to match with any of the cases which we have defined. So you can use this switch case statements in the project or in the program where you are having certain choices, that if you want to use this, then this will be the output. If case is this would be the output. If case is this would be the output, like this. In such kind of projects you can use this switch case statement, and this is how switch case statements work under JavaScript. I hope the concept of switch case statement under JavaScript is very well clear to everyone. Further, for any query, doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more such lectures. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. जय हिंद, जय भारत।